Craigslist is a popular online classifieds platform that allows people to buy, sell, and trade goods and services in their local communities. Here's how it works. To access Craigslist, go to the website and select your preferred location from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Browse through the listings in your area by selecting a category such as for sale, services offered, or personals. Use the search bar to find specific items or sellers. Click on a listing to see more details, including photos, price, location, and seller information. Contact the seller directly through email or phone to ask questions or negotiate a price. If you're interested in buying an item, arrange to meet the seller in person to complete the transaction. Always exercise caution when meeting strangers and follow safety tips provided by Craigslist. Once you've made a purchase, leave feedback for the seller to help build their reputation on Craigslist. You can also post your own listings on Craigslist by clicking on the Post button and following the prompts to create a listing. Craigslist is available on desktop and mobile devices, making it convenient to use wherever you are. However, be aware that some cities have banned Craigslist due to safety concerns or legal issues, so check your local laws before using the platform. Craigslist does not have an affiliate program for its marketplace section. While Craigslist itself is free to use, it does not offer any monetization opportunities for third-party websites or individuals. Therefore, there is no official affiliate program for promoting Craigslist's marketplace section. If you're interested in earning money through affiliate marketing, you may want to explore other platforms that offer affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, eBay Partner Network, or Commission Junction. These programs allow you to earn commissions by promoting products and services on your website or social media channels.